Here's some Ellis Island trivia. Subscribe. What year did Ellis Island open as an immigration station? Is it A, 1905, B, 1885, C, 1892, or D, 1920? The correct answer is C, 1892. Who was the first person to be processed at Ellis Island? Is it A, John Smith, B, Annie Moore, C, Sarah Johnson, or D, Mary Mallon? The correct answer is B, Annie Moore. During which war was Ellis Island closed for a period? Is it A, World War I, B, Civil War, C, World War II, or D, Korean War? The correct answer is A, World War I. What is the name of the museum located on Ellis Island? Is it A, Statue of Liberty, B, Ellis Island National Museum of Immigration, C, American Museum of Natural History, or D, National History Museum? The correct answer is B, Ellis Island National Museum of Immigration. How many years was Ellis Island operational? Is it A, 75 years, B, 33 years, C, 62 years, or D, 45 years? The correct answer is C, 62 years. What city is Ellis Island located near? Is it A, Los Angeles, B, Miami, C, New York City, or D, Chicago? The correct answer is C, New York City. What was the maximum fee charged to enter Ellis Island? Is it A, $25 billion, C, 50s, or D, $2? The correct answer is C, 50 cents. Which infamous act impacted immigration during the 1920s? Is it A, Emergency Quota Act, B, Immigration Reform Act, C, Chinese Exclusion Act, or D, Immigration Act of 1924? The correct answer is D, Immigration Act of 1924. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.